What are you telling him? What is he doing? Hey, Reed, go back over there and see if he'll yell at you. I think he's telling you to stop it. See that baby? That's a cute baby. Say hi, baby. Hi, how you doing? Hi, baby. Okay, Reed, go back over and see if he yells again.
Hold on for a second.
Okay. What was brother doing? Why does that make you yell at him? There he goes. Do it again. Wait, do it again.
No, I need water.
Oh, sorry. That's so serious. What was he doing? Ah! Ah! You looking at yourself? Okay, here comes brother. Last time. Tell him, get down off that couch, Reed. Tell him. Reed, get down off that couch. Finn, are you going to be the bossiest little thing? Tell him. Reed, get down off that couch, Reed. Tell him. He's standing up on the couch? Tell him, Finn, get down off that couch. He's standing on the couch.